Hey guys, it's me Simran, and today I'm coming at you with a what's in my bag video. This is my bag. I got it at Journeys, and honestly, I could tell you like, this is gonna be great. I'm just gonna show you all my essentials, but I truly don't know if all my essentials are in here. I actually have no idea what's in here in general because I haven't cleaned out my purse in a fat minute. There's so much stuff in here, and I know it's gonna be a little embarrassing, but you know, we're just keeping it real, I guess. We're just exposing myself on the internet once again. Stick my hand in and we'll see what I grab. What will it be? First thing I grabbed is this. I honestly, so many times I get this mistaken as my phone, which is really depressing because my phone is not this thick, but it's just an Altoids box full of mints because honestly you never know when you need a mint. Okay, wow, we love that. We get it, you vape. I like Altoids because they're not a mint that tastes good, so I keep them for when I actually need mints versus like Tic Tacs or like gum I'm gonna chew on for fun. So extra long iPhone charger. Extra long iPhone chargers are always the move because you can literally plug your phone in, like, okay, I can plug it in here and be holding it this high, and like the outlet's all the way on the ground. Then I have these makeup removing I was gonna call them cowlets. Yeah, those. I don't understand why makeup wipes are like this. Like, how does this packaging make sense? Does it make sense to anyone else? Because it's like, once you open it, it doesn't stick back the same way, and then your makeup wipes get dried up. During grad night, I didn't have makeup wipes on me, and I literally felt so gross the whole drive back because makeup was crusty, I wanted to sleep, and sleeping with makeup, once you slept in it, it's gone. You need to take it off. So now I keep these. I also, on the topic, have this pre-wettened diamond wipes alcohol-free moist towelette from Yard House that I literally got in Hawaii 2 years ago. But you know, one of these days my hands are gonna be grimy and I'm gonna want to use this, which it happens all the time, but I always forget I have this. So one day I'll actually remember it's there. Next thing I have is my wallet. It's from Victoria's Secret. It really doesn't hold anything. I can't fit any money in it, and I don't use cards that often, so it's kind of a flop, but it also does come in handy because I can hold it like this and go. So it has its pros and cons. I have my eyebrow threading card, Gonna Cruise Boardwalk, a rechargeable card, $5 BJ's gift card that I traded. Fun fact, near finals, me and my friend were going crazy and we were trying to get our assignments done, and she was like, you have this assignment, right? If you like, I'll give you a $5 BJ's card. And I was like, alright, I'm down. And we did that and we both got A's and it was a good time. Did I just expose myself? Just a little bit. Okay, anyways, I have a Merry Christmas Walmart gift card. A classic, you know. The ultimate awards card for Ulta because I'm a shopaholic and I spend too much money at Ulta. So I have a Bed Bath & Beyond merchandise credit.
I love how I just don't have basic utensils like debit card, credit card, ID card, driver's license, like state ID, medical insurance card. I just have like random gift cards, and I talk about how I don't use cards often. Like, I don't know, just I really baffle myself sometimes because those are things you probably have in your wallet, but for some reason I don't. And yeah, I'm also not in my room right now, in case you're wondering why I have a Lego poster in the background. No, I'm not like a secret like Lego fanatic. I'm just like too lazy to go in my room because I saw a spider there earlier, and so now we're avoiding it. But that's not what this video is about, so I'm gonna let you go back to this is why I don't do editing, because this is just a disaster. Anyway.
What do we have in here? I have a contacts case. Oh wait, this is what I did for Disney. Okay, looks like a contacts case. Seems like a contacts case, right? I have powder in one end and I have primer in the other. So like, that's like 2 steps of your makeup routine done and easy to carry. Like, that's literally smaller than the palm of my hand. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Just make sure you don't think it's your contacts case and like take your contacts out and put them in there, because that would be a disaster and we would not like that. I would, no bueno. A splitter for headphones, which I always have on me but never comes in handy. It's like the Yard House wipes. It's always there, but I've never had to use it yet. Except for the one time when I don't have it on me and then suddenly everyone needs a splitter and everyone has headphones and everyone wants to listen to the same music. This is a beat up receipt from when I bought aloe vera from Safeway. So I always collect coupons like I'm gonna use them, and I really never do because I am not put together enough for that. Next is my, I have my glasses prescription to buy glasses, except the guy spelled my name wrong. He spelled Samran. Got another receipt. I haven't even been to TJ Maxx. Wait, where is TJ Maxx? Have I been here before? Yeah, Off Deep Woods insect repellent towelette. I don't go outside enough to actually need that. I normally go from like mall to other indoor place with ACs. So one day though, when I go like camping or something exotic, that might come in handy. We'll see. That's one of like the biggest hoarder mentality things to say. It might come in handy one day. You never know. Yeah, it probably won't, but you know. Advil, ibuprofen tablets. I'm pretty sure Advil goes bad, but the expiry date for this is blurred out, so we're just gonna have to take one and find out. My, what's it called, portable charger thingy. What I do is I keep this fully charged. I try to charge this every week. And then what I do is I keep this in my purse and use my super long wire and connect it to my phone so I can keep my phone out, but I can still charge it, and it's a good time. I just got really excited about that for no reason. I don't know why that was so exciting to me, but yeah. I got one of the mini contact solutions. My favorite lip gloss, it's the Pillow Plump XXL Soap and Glory one. Then I have another contacts case. This one's actually for contacts because it's like extra scurry, so that way contact solution doesn't leak out, which tends to happen a lot, and it's really annoying, and I don't know how it happens because like you're literally made to hold contact solution in contacts. Why would you dry out on me? But this one doesn't do that. 5 cents. And a Burt's and Bees. It's just a lip balm. I don't want to pick it up. I'm just not doing that. So next item. Okay, we have a handful of things. This is exciting. Oh my gosh. Pen, because you never know when you're gonna meet a celebrity and you're just gonna need a save up to $7, what the heck, on contact solution. A Forever 21 receipt. This is when I bought my hexagon hoops. Oh my gosh, I missed them. I have a Sears optical glasses cleaner thing. So much of this stuff is for my eyes so I can see better, and still 90% of the time I either forget my glasses or I don't even have contacts. So we just love that for me. Oh, it's a movie ticket. It's from Ant-Man and the Wasp. Oh, okay, we're keeping that. Another movie ticket. This is from when I went to see Mamma Mia 2. Also gonna put that in the bullet journal. Aw. I think this is a wrapper from a Costco sample, but I was too far from the trash can and I just put it back. Then I have another glasses cleaner thing. Okay, now that the main pocket's empty, we're gonna move on to this pocket because it's like jingling, so there must be something exciting. $2 SD card. And then, oh, I have my little cuff. Wait, hold up. Me and my friend got matching cuffs for our ears. Oh, go ahead, get it. Okay, I give up, but ear cuff. That's a bunch of coins. So yeah. Oh my, what just came out? My mood ring? Wait, I thought I lost it, guys. My mood ring was in there. I'm so happy right now. Wait, that's so exciting. Oh my gosh, look, my mood ring is matching my scrunchie. How cute! I love that for us. Okay. Now that it's actually empty, that's everything that's in my purse. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below if you watched this far in the video what your purse or bag essential is. Like, what's the one thing that you absolutely need to have in there? For me, it would probably either be my lip gloss or my mint. That's such like a basic thing to say, but like I feel like those are the two things that I'm like, ooh, I need that. Maybe money. Yeah, maybe I need money more. I don't know, but if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, check out my social media out, and I'll see you very soon with another one. Bye guys!